Let's look at the following. A security system requires a user to choose a security code. What are we creating? A code. We are not creating a digit number, but we're creating what? A code. The code must consist of 4 digits. How many different codes can be chosen? Can be chosen if the system allows repetition of digits. Now, how many digits can we create a code with? We said yesterday, if we're going to be creating a code, we can use 0. We might as well use 0. If we don't use 0, we can use 1. We can use 2. We can use 3. We can use 4. We can use 5. We can use 6. We can use 7. We can use 8. We can use 9. We can use 10. We can't. So, since we're creating a 4-digit code, it means we're going to create 4 spaces to represent each and every task. This is for us creating the first number. So that is going to be task number 1, task number 2, task number 3, and task number what? Number 4. Now, I repeat, guys, till now we're not in the business of making codes. We're in the business of telling people these are the number of codes that you can create. Whatever is going to be written here is going to represent the number of codes that we can create. Number 1, they say repetition is not allowed. It's allowed. So if it's allowed, it means when I choose to perform task number 1, how many numbers can I choose from? I can choose from 10 different numbers. So I'll come and put 10 here. And then I've chosen 1. After choosing 1, I take it back again. As soon as I choose, I put it back again. How many numbers can I choose from now? It's 10. How many numbers can I choose from? How many numbers can I choose from? 10. So it's 10 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 10, which is going to give us, it's going to be 10,000 different codes that can be created. Repetition, it's allowed. Now let's go to number B. This is number A. Number B, they say that system does not allow repetition of digits. So once you use a digit once, you can no longer use it again. But now we're still creating a 4-digit code. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 spaces. This represents then you are creating a 4-digit code. It means you are performing something with 4 tasks. Task number 1, task number 2, task number 3, and task number 4. So for task number 1, we still have 10 numbers to choose from. We put 10. We choose 1, any one of them. How many are remaining, man? 9. We're left with 9. We choose another 1. How many are remaining? 7. How many are remaining? 7. What is 10 multiplied by 9 multiplied by 7? 5,040. 5,040. Now they will give us a mark for this.